Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a very healthy Zobo drink. For this recipe you're going to be needing one large pineapple, and I'm just going to go ahead and slice the pineapple up. So after slicing, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and set it aside for later use. I'm also keeping my pineapple rinsed because it will be useful when I want to boil my Zobo. So I'll go ahead and pound some ginger. You can use as much ginger as you want in your Zobo recipe. There are no measurements when it comes to ginger. For this recipe, I am also using some dates which I soaked in water for a few hours just to soften it, and I'm using the dates as a sweetener. Next is the star of the show, which is the Zobo leaves, and I'll be rinsing this in warm water to remove any sand, stone, debris that may be found in it. And I also heard some people don't wash their Zobo leaves. Please wash it. Thank you. Next, I'll be blending the pineapple to get pineapple juice, and this is what it looks like after blending. If you have a juicer, you can use that instead. I'm also blending my dates, which are already soft by now after hours of soaking it, and this is what it looks like after blending. So I'm going to be setting it aside for later use. So let's get right into the video properly. In a pot, I add my already rinsed Zobo leaves. I went in with some ginger, which I already pounded. I also went in with some cloves, which is a necessity for your Zobo drinks, by the way. I also added this pineapple extract I got while juicing the pineapple. I added some cinnamon sticks. These are optional, by the way. I also added the pineapple rinse. This is a necessity, please. I added some cucumber slices. So basically, when making your Zobo drink here, you can add a bunch of feel-good stuffs: apples, mandarin, clementina, oranges, lime, anything at all, just to improve the taste of your Zobo. I also went in with some water, and I'm just going to cover and allow it to cook. So after boiling for 1 hour, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and strain it. So because we're in the season of no wastage, I poured everything back into my pot, added clean water, and allow it boil for 30 minutes. Now if you want a very concentrated, thick Zobo drink, you can skip this part. After straining, I went in with my blended dates. I also went in with my pineapple juice, stirred everything to combine. To avoid any chaffs, stones, seeds, anything whatsoever being in my Zobo drink, I went ahead to strain it a second time and even a third time. After that, I added some flavors to it just to sweeten it. And if you're not a fan of this, you can use lots of pineapple juice and dates in yours. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the very end. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Please, I am begging you, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.